Yes, ready for dictation. Start. Their presence from the bottom of his soul stop. However, due to lack of enough meal, all the farmers didn't go a mile towards the factory or trade mill to take assistance for running the campaign for a long time stop. Thereafter, they showed their willing to receive summon issued by the honorable court or got provided by someone during their campaign stop passage. The Constitution of India provides a right to speech and right to freedom to each and every people of this nation, in which various articles and sections have been consisted, and its preamble is also subjected to mention all the rights of the people of this country stop. The father of the Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, was the first man who had thought about the rights of this nation and provided the safety and security to all the women who were unable to live freely and enforce the women empowerment. And Sri Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada was the calligrapher of the Indian Constitution in a flowing italic style stop passage. The drafting committee was also headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar stop. He had chaired the committee of the Constituent Assembly and played a pivotal role in the drafting of the Constitution stop. The constitution of this committee is entirely dedicated to the nation, in which 7 members were appointed on 29th August 1947 stop. Dr. Ambedkar, who fought to give the minorities in India an equal footing as a part of the democracy stop. These articles or sections provided their own fundamental values oblique rights to people after that they can live, educate and speak without any fear in the society, and came ahead to help others by knowing their rights well without leaving their places stop. All the people of this country were unknown about their rights or values, therefore they had become slave during the British rule stop passage. Poverty is a state of condition in which a person or community lacks the financial resources and essentials for a minimum standard of living stop. Once again should think to eliminate it, and for some developed ones like China and America, ownership of a car or house may be the prerequisite, whereas for developing and poor countries, even availability of 2 square meals a day is treated as being above the poverty line stop. Since independence, the Indian are Wahil an hour or two in peace without feeling of individually independence, and enjoy a lot of time with their neighbors and relatives stop.